In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design a t-shirt with all over or sublimation print that you can order and then sell online. So we're going to start by going to printful.com and click on their mockup generator, and then you can pick what kind of shirt that you want to design on. I'm going to pick the LA apparel shirt. And then you're going to upload your file when it's ready here, but for now we're going to go into Photoshop and design the file. So this was their template that they used, but I'm gonna start a new document. It'll be 42 inches by 36 inches at 150 dpi. So we're just going to create a document that is that file size. This is extremely important that these settings are correct for the sublimation print to come out right, and also for the file not to be too big, which has definitely caused me problems in the past just uploading it onto Printful and using it. So then I'm going to go and find a design that I have done before, just a much smaller scale. So on this huge canvas, it's tiny. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay out my design so that just how I want it, or make sure there's not too much white space. And the key to sublimation printing, I think, is you want to just have a consistent design unless you're using a photograph, where all you have to do is sort of think about how the photograph you want it to appear on the shirt, but otherwise you kind of just want a consistent pattern. Okay, so I think that's looking good at this point. This is how I want it. And so I'm going to export the file. I want to keep the white background, so I'm just going to export it how it is. You can put a different color background if you want. You just have to remember that you don't pick the color of the t-shirt. You can pick the color of the ink that goes on the t-shirt instead, but I think sort of white works best. And then you can choose to have a front print and a back print. I'm just going to do a front print on this particular shirt because it's cheaper to make. So yeah, you just upload the file onto your library. Generate files. It'll actually generate a mockup for you, and you can see how it will look on a real t-shirt. And then this file you can use in your store to show what the shirt looks like without having to order it beforehand. Open it up. Yeah, I like the way that looks. One last tip: if you are not going to put it on a different background, you need to export it as a JPEG because it'll give you a PNG, so that it will be on a white background. Otherwise, it will default to black. Yeah, and from there you can just try your luck at selling that t-shirt online. Alright, thanks for watching.